Have you ever come across these words, open-ended and a close-ended mutual fund, and wondered what are these actually? Hello everyone, this is Bhavya Somani, a CA final student, and currently I'm pursuing my articleship from LCASET and Company Jaipur. And in this session, we'll be learning about what is the basic difference between an open-ended and a close-ended mutual fund. So before coming on to this, let's first discuss what is a mutual fund at the very first place. A mutual fund is basically where an asset management company pools the fund from various investors. Now these investors may be retail investors or they may be institutional investors. Now amount is pooled and it is invested onto various assets. Now these assets may be equity stocks or debentures or bonds or gold. So a portfolio of assets is built. Now whatever a return is earned on in this portfolio of assets, it is distributed amongst the various investors in proportion to the capital which has been employed by them. Now coming back to our question, what is the difference between an open-ended and a close-ended mutual fund? We'll be first discussing the features of an open-ended mutual fund. So basically there are two features of an open-ended mutual fund. The very first one is you are free to invest and withdraw the money from the fund as and when you feel like. And secondly, it is never traded on a stock exchange. Now because of these two features, you never face any liquidity crunch because you can invest and withdraw whenever you feel like. And secondly, the price of this fund is always equal to the NAV because it is not listed on the stock exchange, and hence the market forces of demand and supply never play into role. On the contra, when you are going to invest in a close-ended mutual fund, your amount can be blocked for the maturity period which is decided and told to you beforehand. Now this maturity period in India varies from 3 to 5 years. So here you can face a liquidity issue. But to overcome this liquidity issue, these funds have now been started listing on the stock exchange. So now whenever you want to withdraw your fund or invest, you can directly go and buy these funds from the stock exchange. Now because of this feature, the price is not equal to NAV. Because here the market forces of demand and supply play into account and your prices can fluctuate drastically. Now another thing is, because you are not allowed to withdraw or invest, the unit capital of this close-ended mutual fund is fixed. So once and for all, the unit capital is invested, it is fixed, it is invested and build a portfolio of asset. There is no welcoming of any other new fund to be invested. And so whatever return you are going to earn is on this fixed amount of money which has been decided. So here I mark the end of this session. Thank you for watching and keep learning and keep growing.